Well, my friend was Derek Carr, very best friend in the world ever since I met him in 6th grade. Always hung out with him, really good guy. A lot of people enjoyed his company. He was smart, funny, just good guy to be around. One night, 1999, December 31st, he was out driver, a front seat passenger. He was in the back seat in the middle with no seatbelt on, and the driver thought he was on 53rd Street. Jumped off the end of 46th Street, landed nose first. Derek got ejected from the back seat through the sunroof, which they believe that's what instantly killed him. 3 in the car survived. Wearing a seatbelt definitely could have saved his life. I miss him dearly. He was a best friend, big part of my life growing up. Wife misses him, and it's just a sad ending to what could have been a great life.